Welcome to the Chilton Project, folks. Today, well, it's gonna be a multiple day thing, I think. Finally got a minute. I hauled in all this dirt. I think I hauled in 27 loads. You can see right there was the old bank here, so I raised it up that much all the way through here. But I've made it fairly level, and it's holding water in some spots. And I'm trying to get it to dry out, and I'm gonna get gravel on it here within the next few days, probably maybe next week sometime. Go get a little bit of gravel, at least for this area right here. So instead of it holding water with gravel on it, because I've kind of had that issue here where it's held water and then made soupy spots, I'm gonna go ahead and push this off because I need more dirt anyways, but I'm gonna push that off a little bit so it's on a downward slope slightly. I can still use it, I can still park on it, it's just gonna be on a slight grade down to help the water run off, and I'm gonna get this ready to take some gravel. So let's push some dirt. Oh no. So I had a GoPro mounted up here, and I had it mounted over there, and then I had it mounted down there, and then I had it sitting over there. And I just looked on there and it showed 0, but it was recording. It showed 0.00, like minutes a second. It's not been recording this whole time. Every video, I've stopped it, started it, and it beeps. It says it's recording, but it's not recording. I go in there and it loads it and it only shows 2 videos. Turn it off, turn it back on, now it's recording. So more or less, I cut out this bank right here a little bit more and shoved that out that way, and then trying to slope the whole thing out. So hopefully it won't hold water. Here within the next week or so, depending on some other financial things, I'm going to bring in some gravel, and I need to touch this up, and then I'm going to do this whole area right here with gravel. Let's get you set up and get a little bit more footage. Yeah. What's funny is I've dug this before. This water runs from up here in the field through that culvert and then down around my laydown yard, because it used to go straight across. And I just don't have the money for culverts to run that far. But I couldn't dig that out because of the rock shelf, and look how much I'm digging out now. And now that it's been wintertime, I think water's got in there, it's frozen, busted some of that rock up for me. And now I'm actually being able to scoop it out. So we're going to try to back all the way down this and scoop it all out and try to clean it up. But that's pretty deep. That's like 2 foot deep. And then I have had issues where it was leaching through, because this is all rock and sand. I have had issues where it was leaching through. So now that I dug it out, hopefully it'll splash off them rocks right there and then run its way around this way. It only runs when it rains a lot, get a lot of water out of the yard and a lot of water out of that field, and then some of it will run this way and run through that culvert down this way. There's the flat. It's getting pretty dry. It's been there for probably about a month, but the plan is to have all this in gravel, park my trailers back there and equipment back there, and then material up here and maybe my implements down across this edge right there. Yeah, I'm ready to be done with it. So I'm gonna move some stuff around, and we're gonna go get some gravel. I'm not sure when that's gonna be, so yeah, turn to gravel. All right, got us some rock. I'm gonna spread this rock out real quick. Then I think that'll be a wrap. Probably should let the glow plug warm up a little bit. No, that was a mistake. Always wet, but last, well, I told you it'd be a few days, but got her leveled off. It seems like the water's wanting to run through, so once I get this gravel down, hopefully it'll leach through. And I went ahead and went with, I think these are number 4s. They're about, you know, good sized little rock, 1.5 to 2 inch rock. So we'll go ahead and get this dumped out. This thing's still sweet. I love it. I messed up. Oh, let's spread some gravel. It is cold today. Got company. So right there is what 5 ton will do. So at least I got a spot to where I can pull down here and then back up into here, or pull up in here and back up for now. But I'm gonna wait until it dries up a little bit more, and I'll probably bring in about 20 ton and cover this whole area. So, and then freshen this up. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching the Chilton Project, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.